Ramya, Sara and Tara are the partners. Sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3:2. So 5 plus 3 plus 2, 10. 5 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10. Increase the value of premises 40,000. So asset order value increase ஆகுது by premises. Asset value increase ஆனா credit. By premises 40,000. Depreciate stock. Asset value என்ன ஆகுது குறையுது. To stock 3,000. And machinery 6,500. So machinery value 6,500 குறையுது டெபிட்ல போட்டுறணும். Provide an outstanding liability. Outstanding liability create பண்ண சொல்றான். அப்ப liability என்ன ஆகுது வேல்யூ இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. To outstanding liability 500. இப்போ டோட்டல் பண்ணோம், இந்த பக்கம் டோட்டல் பண்ணா 40,000, இந்த பக்கம் டோட்டல் பண்ணா 10,000. So the difference between the two sides is the answer. Difference between right hand side and left hand side is the answer. 40,000 minus 10,000, 30,000 is the answer. Answer எங்க போடணும்னு சொல்லிருக்கேன், எந்த பக்கம் டோட்டல் கம்மியா இருக்கோ அந்த பக்கம் போடணும். That is 30,000 இந்த டெபிட் சைடு போடணும். To profit on revaluation. The profit எப்படி எடுத்துக்கிறாங்க 5 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10. So Ramya's capital account 30,000 into 5 by 10 அடிச்சா எவ்வளவு வரும் 15,000. So 15,000 Ramya's capital account. And Sara's capital account 30,000 into 3 by 10, so 9,000. Sara's capital account 9,000. And Tara's capital account 30,000 into 2 by 10, cipher அடிச்சா 6,000. 6,000 is the answer. So இந்த பக்கம் total பண்ணாலும் 40,000, இந்த பக்கம் total பண்ணாலும் 40,000. Fine. இப்போ entry போடணும். Premises account data to revaluation. First entry என்ன premises account data to revaluation. ரெண்டாவது entry revaluation account data to stock, to machinery, to outstanding liability. Second entry revaluation account data to stock, to machinery, to outstanding liability. மூணாவது entry என்ன revaluation account data to Ramya's capital, to Sara's capital, to Tara's capital. Revaluation account data to Ramya's capital, to Sara's capital, to Tara's capital. இதை வச்சு ஈஸியா என்ட்ரி போட்டுடலாம் பார்த்துக்கோ. அப்படியே ரிவர்ஸ்ல வரும், டெபிட்ல இருக்கிற கிரெடிட்ல வரும், கிரெடிட்ல இருக்கிற டெபிட்ல வரும். ஏன்னா இது லெட்ஜர்ல இருந்து ஜேர்னலுக்கு போறதுனால அப்படி போறோம். சரியா? இந்த என்ட்ரி புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நான் அடுத்த சம்முக்கு போறேன். திரும்பி ஒரு தடவை என்ட்ரி சொல்றேன், கவனி. Premises account data to revaluation 40,000, 40,000. Revaluation account data to stock, to machinery, to outstanding liability 3,000, 6,500, 500, total 10,000. Revaluation account data to Ramya's capital, to Sara's capital, to Tara's capital 15,000, 9,000, 6,000, 30,000. சரியா? ரெண்டாவது ப்ராப்ளம். Roja, Neela and Kanaha are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 4:3:3. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10. அப்போ 4 by 10, 3 by 10 and 3 by 10. Increase the value of building. Asset value increase ஆகுது. Building value increase ஆனா என்ன அர்த்தம்? Asset value increase ஆகுது. அப்போ by building 30,000. Depreciate stock by 5,000. So இந்த பக்கம் to stock 5,000. Depreciate furniture by 12,000. To furniture 12,000. Provide an outstanding liability. Liability என்ன ஆகுது? Increase ஆகுது. To outstanding liability 1,000. Total பண்ணா இந்த பக்கம் 30,000, இந்த பக்கம் total பண்ணா 18,000. So difference between 30,000 and 18,000 is the answer. That is the 12,000 is the answer. 12,000 எங்க போனோம்? எந்த சைடு டோட்டல் கம்மியா இருக்கோ அந்த சைடு போடணும். So 12,000 இங்க வரும். Profit on revaluation. இது எப்படி பிரிச்சு எடுத்துக்கறாங்க? 12,000 into 4 by 10. 12,000 into 4 by 10 ன்றது யார் கேபிட்டல்? ரோஜாஸ் கேபிட்டல். 12,000 into 4 by 10. சைஃபர் அடிச்சா 12 into 4 48. So 4,800. 12,000 into 3 by 10. Neela's capital. So 12,000 into 3 by 10. Cipher adicha 3,600. So Neela's capital is 3,600. 12,000 into 3 by 10. Kanaha. Kanaha is also 4:3:3. So Kanaha part share is also 3 by 10. So 3,600. So total panna 30,000, 30,000. How to write the entry? How to pass the journal entry? Building account data to revaluation. First entry is building account data to revaluation. Building account data to revaluation. Second entry enna? Revaluation account data to stock, to furniture, to outstanding liability. Revaluation account data to stock, to furniture, to outstanding liability. Third entry, revaluation account data to Roja's capital, to Neela's capital, to Kanaha's capital. revaluation account data to Roja's capital, to Neela's capital, to Kanaga's capital. So amount la போட்டு total பண்ணி போட்டுறணும். சரியா? next problem பார்க்கலாம். இது உங்கள் VSR. Prabhu, Raghu, Siva are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6. Sorry, increase the value of building 12,000. So by building 12,000. By building 12,000. Reduce the value of furniture. Furniture value என்ன இது குறையுது. So asset increase ஆச்சு அதனால இங்க போட்டோம். Asset குறையுது. Reduce the value of furniture. Asset value decreased. So furniture, to furniture 8,500. The provision would also be made for outstanding salary. But to outstanding salary, liability increased. So to outstanding salary 6,500. So total எவ்வளவு 15,000. இந்த பக்கம் total 12,000. 15,000 minus 12,000. 3,000 is the answer. So 3,000 எங்க போடணும்? இந்த சைடு தான் total கம்மியா இருக்கு. So you have to write 3,000 here because this total is lower than that of this total. That's why we have to enter 3,000 here. Loss on revaluation 3,000. The loss எப்படி பிரிச்சு எடுத்துக்கறாங்க? என்ன 3 is to 2 is to 1. So 3,000 into Prabhu's capital account. 3,000 into 3 by 6. So 5 6 are 30. 5 into 3, 1,500. Prabhu's capital account 1,500. And Raghu's capital account 3,000 into 2 by 6. So 5 into 2, 1,000. 5 into 2, 10,000. Raghu's capital account 1,000. And Siva's capital account. Siva's capital account 3,000 into 1 by 6. 1 6 are 6, 5 6 are 3,500. So Siva's capital account is 500. Total 15,000 both the sides. First entry, building account data to revaluation. First entry, building account data to revaluation. The second entry is revaluation account data to furniture to outstanding salary. Revaluation account data to furniture to outstanding salary. Third entry is Prabhu's capital account data, Raghu's capital account data, Shiva's capital account data to revaluation. Prabhu's capital account data, Raghu's capital account data, Shiva's capital account data to revaluation. So you understand all these three entry. Building account data to revaluation 12,000. Revaluation account data to furniture to outstanding salary. Okay, furniture 8,500, outstanding salary 6,500, total is 15,000. Prabhu's capital account data, Raghu's capital account data, Shiva's capital account data to revaluation. Prabhu's capital 1,500, Raghu's capital 1,000, Shiva's capital 500. So to revaluation account 3,000. இந்த sum உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நம்ம அடுத்த sum. Vinod, Karthi and Pranav are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. That is 2 by 5, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. 2 by 5, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Increase the value of land and building. Increase the value of land and building 18,000. So asset value increased by land and building 18,000. Reduce the value of machinery. So asset value decreased here 15,000. To machinery 15,000. A provision would also made for outstanding expenses. So liability increased. Provision would also be made for outstanding expenses. Liability increased. So two outstanding expenses 8,000. The total is 23,000 here. The total of right hand side is 18,000. The difference between the left hand side and right hand side is the answer. 23,000 minus 18,000. 5,000 is the answer. So in the side total kammiya irukku. In the side da total kammiya irukku. So you have to write 5,000 here. எந்த பக்கம் total கம்மியா இருக்கோ அந்த பக்கம் எழுதணும் 5,000. Yeah, 5,000 எப்படி பிரிச்சுப்பாங்க? 2 is to 2 is to 1. That is 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5. First, Vinod's capital account. 5,000 into 2 by 5. அடிச்சால வரும் 5 1 2,000. So 2,000. And second one is Karthi's capital account. Karthi's capital account 5,000 into 2 by 5. Again 2,000. And Pranav capital account 5,000 into 1 by 5. 1,000. Okay. This side total is 23,000. This side total is also 23,000. Now we have to pass the journal entry. Land and building account data to revaluation. First entry is land and building account data to revaluation. Second entry is revaluation account data to machinery to outstanding expenses. Revaluation account data to machinery to outstanding expenses. Third entry is Vinod capital account data, Karthi capital account data, Pranav capital account data to revaluation. Vinod capital account data, Karthi capital account data, Pranav capital account data to revaluation. இந்த சம் உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்ற நம்பிக்கையோட உங்களிடமிருந்து விடைபெறுவது உங்கள் வி